Okay, so it's important to keep the seals clean on your Volkswagen Eos. Areas to check for dirt and debris build-up along here, around here, certainly down here and in this channel here. But also keeping the seals clean and treated with Krytox. It's also important to clean the mating surface that the seal butts up against as well. So with this, when it's closed, will sit against this, and both contact surfaces need to be kept clean. Along with your front seal to check it, obviously this one, you can see the dirt build up on here, but it's also to open the roof slightly and check down here. So there's a build-up of dirt in here, but then also the contact surfaces along here, and with the sunroof shut it will be along here, and on the rear of the sunroof this one here, and on the same with the glass in the tilt position, it's easy to get to the back end of the sunroof glass that mates up against that.